Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. This is your practical guide. Right now, we're going to look at Padmasana. Please look in all your details about this asana given in your guide. Refer there for more details. This is just going to be a practical session for your practice. So I'm going to begin Lotus pose, Padmasana from Sukhasana. So basically from here, we are just going to extend both the legs in front of you. Now fold one leg, right now I have right foot placing on opposite thigh, the left thigh. Bring the left foot and place it on right thigh. This is how your leg's going to be folding. And bring the spine in a straight line. No slouching. Make sure it's straight. Palms in any mudra you like. Right now I have Dhyan mudra. Chin lifted up a little. A gentle smile. Close your eyes gently. And just breathe in and out. Find your center, your peace. Smile. Enjoy this pose. Maximum practices happen in this pose. All your pranayama practices. Slowly, when you're ready, gently open up your eyes and release the pose one at a time. You're going to release the top leg first, then the bottom leg. Bring yourself in Sukhasana. Happy practicing.